Puneeta Chhitwal-Varma has been a friend in our kitchen for years, and now you can bring her into your space. Puneeta joins us to celebrate the launch of her brand new cookbook, Good Food, Healthy Planet, Your Kitchen Companion to Simple, Practical, Sustainable Cooking. You've been working on this for 4 or 5 years.
I have, right when that first United Nations IPCC report came out, that was I think 4 years ago in the fall, the connection started coming together so quickly, but it has been 4 years, right?
Right. And the connection is eating well, but eating well for the planet as well.
Yes, and it's surprising that the science is so crystal clear that the food that is great for the environment and for the planet is also the same food that is great for our personal health and our mental well-being. Like I talk about climate science and food and mood research. And it's also a little bit of what traditional wisdom, like the generations of grandmas have been showing us all along.
So it's affordable too, right?
Yes, affordable, accessible. Those are some of the, I love alliteration. So those are some of the words that I talk about. Abundant, affordable, accessible for all. And guess what? It's good for us and good for the planet.
Right. And before we get into the recipe that you've made here, everything goes through, every recipe in here has 5 kind of principles behind it. So there's pulses are perfect, reduce what you throw away, diversify your diet, shop local, think global, and move away from meat.
Yes, that's the hardest one, right? Half your meat. Going vegan is not an option for many of us. I'm not. And so if we can just half our meat right out the gate, favorite recipes, meatloaf, I've got a few options here. But yes, the 5 guiding principles, use them like your, mix and match. See what works for you. Customize your own recipes at home, and it makes it easy. I promise it is easy.
It is. So you made these fish cakes, and it's a non-traditional take on traditional fish cakes.
Yes, my mom makes traditional fish cakes. These are my non-traditional take. It's the last recipe, the last savory recipe in the book, and I love it so because I make it almost every week. It's canned fish, so tuna today, with chopped veggies, leftover veggies if you have them. Add in some turmeric, that's what brings that beautiful golden color. And then also add in coriander seed powder, bring the flavors together. And I've added in oats for extra fiber and chickpea flour to bring it all together. And they're delicious, and they make a great replacement with fish, right? Canned fish. And you can often find canned fish sustainably. Like look for the labels. You've got the MSC and the ASC labels, which basically means that it's certified in different ways. And we can make sustainable choices that are affordable.
And I like that you use the flour and the oatmeal as kind of an extender. So you can have one can that feeds a family. And I think that was one of the first lessons I learned from you was you had put oatmeal into, I forget whether it was like ground chicken or something.
The turkey sliders. They were incredible.
This is amazing because you use like half the meat, but you're still feeding a family.
Exactly, and you can use oatmeal, rolled oats, mushrooms, chopped mushrooms make a great extender. Add that in, and it still feels like you're eating all meat. And it's better for our personal health, and it's also so much better for the environment.
We have a minute left, but you've also made this delicious salad.
Yes, so a lot of times, often in my family I know, but a lot of times people think, oh my God, veggie is so boring. My one tip, and I talk about it in the book, is to add a tadka. And tadka is pretty much what this is, and you can sprinkle it on there. This is,
I'm going to do that now.
Hot oil with whole spices, and this one in particular has roasted peanuts, and it adds a crunchy flavor to veggies that have been tossed in lime juice and salt. Oh, totally delicious.
Just spice that up.
And it's not a boring old salad anymore.
Okay, well, congratulations on the book, Good Food, Healthy Planet. It's now available everywhere. I love the pictures in the bookstore of that. And it's just congratulations, because I know you worked so hard on this.
I did.
Okay, we'll put the links up on to your blog as well, up on our website, chch.com/morninglive.
Thank you so much.